Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over the homework for lesson 2C-8. Now for these problems, we're going to either use substitution or elimination. So the ones that I will do with you are numbers 2, 3, and 5. Alright, so number 2. X equals negative 4y plus 5, and we have negative 2x minus 3y equals 0. So you guys see how this one is better suited for substitution. Because we already have x equals negative 4y plus 5. So now my first step is to take negative 2x minus 3y equals 0 and substitute in wherever I see x, I am going to plug in negative 4y plus 5 minus 3y is equal to 0. And as you can see, after I substitute it in, I only have y's in my equation. And remember, you can never solve an equation that has two different letters in it. So now distribute. So we're going to have 8y minus 10 minus 3y is equal to 0. Combine your like terms. 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now guys, in order to solve an equation, you need to have things on both sides. So add that 10 over. So we have 5y is equal to 10, and y is equal to positive 2. All right, so now that I have my value for y, I'm going to find what x is, and that's quite easy because we know that x is equal to negative 4y plus 5. So if x is equal to negative 4y, we know y is equal to 2. X is equal to negative 8 plus 5, or negative 3. Now, we have to do our check, because I could be wrong. Who the heck knows? So I'm going to do that check real quick. All right, this checks out. Let's try the next one. And then when you plug negative 3 in for x and 2 for y, it works for the second equation. So we know we're correct. Next question. For this question, it says, a system of equations is given below. Which system of equations does not, I repeat, does not have the same solution? The one we did in the do now said which one has the same solution. This is the opposite. So that means three choices will have the same solution, and one will be in, like, not the solution. Duh. Okay, yeah. Moving along. So, as you can see, this is set up for elimination. The x and the y are on the left side of the equal sign. So we're going to use elimination to solve for a variable. So I think I'm going to eliminate the x's, which means I'm going to multiply the top by negative 2. So negative 2x minus 4y is equal to negative 10. Right, so now my x's will cancel out. And then I have 1y minus 4y, that's negative 3y, is equal to negative 6. So y should be equal to 2. I'm going to solve for x now. So now we get that x is equal to 1. So I'm going to write these solutions up here, and I'm going to erase this so I have more room to write. You might want to do a problem like this on scrap paper. Let's try this out. So I'm taking the first choice right now, and wherever I see x, I'm going to plug in 1, and wherever I see y, I'm going to plug in 2. So I'm going to put my 1's here and my 2's here. So I have, the first thing, I have 3 plus 12. Is that equal to 15? Yes. Okay. 2 plus 2, is that equal to 4? Yes. So the question says, which system of equation does not have the same solution? Since it checks out for both, this means this has the same solution, so we're going to cross this one out. So I'm just going to try each choice separately. So I'm going to plug in 1 for my x's for the next one and 2 for my y's. Okay, so I have 4 plus 16, does that equal 20? Yep. Then I have 2 plus 2, does that equal 4? Yep. So if it works for both, it means this one has the same solutions. On to choice 3. Okay, so I took choice 3. I plugged in 1 for x and 2 for y. And I get that 1 plus 2 times 2, that is 5. That equals 5. That works. And then this is 6 plus 6. That equals 12. That also works. So we're going to cross this one off the list too. So hopefully number 4 will be it. All right, so we have 1 plus 2 times 2. That is 5 equals 5. That works. And then 4 plus 4. Does that equal 12? 8 does not equal 12. So we have our answer. Choice 4 does not work. Okay? This is the only one that we have come across that when we plug in x and y, 1 and 2 respectively, that we have an equation that does not come out as a true equation, which means this system does not have the same solution as this, and this. Okay? Slices of cheese pizza and 4 slices of mushroom pizza for a total cost of, I can't read this, $12.50. Whoa. $12.50. Grace bought 3 slices of cheese pizza and 2 slices of mushroom pizza for a total cost of $8.50. The systems of equations model a situation where C, okay, is the cost of a slice of cheese pizza and M is the cost of the slice of mushroom pizza. So C equals the cost per slice of cheese and M is equal to the cost per slice of mushroom. Okay, they already give you the system, guys. Come on. 3C plus 4M equals $12.50. And then 3C plus 2M is equal to $8.50. Now, guys, the easiest letter to eliminate would be the C's. Multiply the bottom equation by -1. So we have negative 3C minus 2M equals negative $8.50. And I'm going to bring that other one down. So we have 3C plus 4M is equal to $12.50. So now we can eliminate the C's. We have 2M is equal to, 4. So we have the cost of 1 slice of mushroom pizza is $4 per slice, aka $2 per slice. All right, now to find the cost for a slice of cheese. So I'm plugging it in. So this is 3C plus 8 is equal to $12.50. Subtract the 8. 3C is equal to $4.50. Divide both sides by 3. Cost for 1 slice of cheese pizza is $1.50. So $1.50 per slice. Okay? Now make sure that you write it out in words a little bit because they didn't ask you just this part. They didn't just say solve for M and solve for C. They're saying what's the cost for a slice of cheese pizza? What is the cost of a slice of mushroom pizza? So we write it out in words up here. Okay? That's all I got for you guys today. I will see you tomorrow in class. Have a good one.